So I'm going to change this fuel filter. Should be easy enough if all goes to plan. Just going to do it outside. Just this beautiful weather we're having. First of all, take off the shield. 4 8mm nuts to loosen. Before I go any further, I do want to say that I am by no means a mechanic, but this needed doing and there's no garages open to do it, so I decided I'd give it a go myself and just do a video. If you don't feel comfortable doing it, I suggest you leave it. Just have to bleed it after, can be tricky sometimes. So next thing is to disconnect 2 pipes out, and this is your return back to the tank. We'll get to that later. Disconnect your plug. So you're going to need a 27mm socket. So just lift it out slowly. Old filter, new filter. There was a ring around this. We'll change it over. New ring on, new filter on. Let it back in slowly. So that's all, everything back on again. What I'm going to do now is open this return, and I'm going to put on my fluid and liquid extractor and draw any air out through the system back into the return. That's the extractor connected to the return. That's all the air coming out. Going the wrong way, but any air that was remaining passed through here, and then there was no bubbles coming through, so just reconnected the return. Reinstall this shield. So that's the shield on, and the remaining air went through the pipe. So I'm going to start the engine and hopefully keep running, but if it cuts out, just repeat the bleeding process again. What I'm going to do is just start it, keep the revs high for a few seconds, fingers crossed. As I said at the start of the video, the bleeding part can be tricky sometimes. So that's it for today. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video.